nokuzwa le ndoda ethi the truth shall set you free. Nayazi leyo nkabi leyo. Nami namhlanje ngithi angivuke yabo. Ngiphendule laba bantu abahlezi bangibuza lento ku-inbox ukuthi Hulumeni mfethu what happened ngawe la piano hub kubokabza yabo. Because wena you were there ndoda, wena bosungenile mfethu. Bese sibheke wena siqhasi. Sizintwana mfethu asikazi uyas-inspire ndoda. What happened actually? Abanye bayabuza ukuthi ndoda wena kanti vele bakuphusha nini ndoda yabo. Abanye ubuyela nini la. One thing I can convince you is that ngeke ngabuyela mina la ngaphathwanga kahle khona mfethu, and which is ngiyenzanga lutho embi ngithola. Namhlanje ngiyafisa ukunixoxela umsikeli istory, nami nginibekele nje istory yabo, ngoba igcineni vele amaqiniso anti kuyofanele ukuthi bawazi ukuthi enhle kwenzakalani. Because abantu they are being treated as the way bangitreata ngakhona, but they choose to be silent. But mina sengakhathala ukuthi abantu bengibuze bese ngithule yabona. So what really happened there ukuthi mfethu bengenabhekela. First thing I can say mfana, bengenafatela, bengenabhekela for mina yabo. Ayikho into bengayenzi as an artist, as intwana yada, as umuntu bekaphila da hlala da yabo. Kunabantu abafike even before mina, which is izinto zabo zabamjobela zaba grand. Ngaphandle mfethu ukuthi singaze sifike mfethu ku music okukhipheni music nje, the treatment itself nje yabo. Towards mina bengifila ngathi ngiyacindezela mfethu, bengifila ngathi ngiyalayiwa, bengifila ngathi mfethu abangithandi. But nginalento ngaphansi kimi ukuthi mfethu ngifuna ukufeza iphupho lami mfethu. Ayikho into bengayenzi bro. I would wake up mfethu clean yangithola, yenze show ukuthi indle clean, yenze show ijaride clean. Nginengadi mfethu ngithandayo la ngadi bengithanda ukufa, bengafuni next ingakabi njalo. Bengivukele ekuseni mfethu nginisele mfethu yabo, anasekazi khuthele mfethu yabo, yaqhakazisa. Because ngiyazi ukuthi music awuwadrojwa yabo, music awukakhishwa. Into engimele ngiyenze la ukuthi njengentwana sekasi ngiziphandele nami yabo. Into engayenza la 1 2 3 why kunabantu besound la yabo, isound inokuplakwa, isound inokuyiswa ema-eventini nani. Okay, I can work there yabo, bangana flop ngisipana. But manje ukuthi ngisho ngisipana da bengagawa foko even ne-20 rand ukuthi hey ndoda qina man yabo. Njengesosha nahamba ubhekela ingcozi zakho nix do ulandelele mfethu. Malume manje ngicela ukhulume nalo muntu uthi phela ngibhekele, phela sibuya kushaya i-event enyana 2 days 3 days with bang nyana yabo. Sinini sishabo masowethu, sinini siyayiqubula nje mfethu konka sihamba mfethu senza siyanyakaza mfethu sesitradeni kuyagijinya. But I will tell you one thing eyihlazo ngikaze aphiwa ngisho 100 rand kuthiwa mfethu hayi siyabonga usebenzile mfowami yabo. Njengentwana vele ebhalayo la endlini, njengentwana vele yabo yenza music, but wena uyaphanda ngapha emasayidini hayi qina nyana mfethu yabo nawubhekela umndeni wakho. Cause vele angingakhipha music, angikho estradeni, angigigi. So indlela yami ukuthi ngibe na something engizophilisa ngaso incosi, ngizophilisa ngayo incosi zami ukuthi nje ngiphande bro. Ngiwasha amateki still nothing. Hawu kanti libhadi leli lingilandela kanjena mfethu noma kuthiwa ngithi mina ngisho noma dog sise studio kusipanekile sisonke nje kuyenzeka into. That nigga wouldn't mind just to send money to the producer nje 10 baht nje, yeah, just for i-beat nje ingoma yana futhi akusingoma i-beat because of akangeni nevocal yabo. Mina dololo ngitshela ukuthi indoda impahla bengiyigcoka ilezi engezanga ngiyeza mfethu bengigcoka leyo mpahla le angazi ngathengela ngisho mfethu nokuthi hayi intwana yethu le masemagigini naye ibe yinhle yabo sisonke man. Hayi bingekho lento kimi dog, mina bingekho. Ngitshela ukuthi namanje angiboni nokuthi uNtanga une-account yami, angiyazi imali kaNtanga. Ngiblome lapha close to 3-4 years futhi nje ngayicala blomile isikhathi eside data kungakabi mnandi esabloma mfethu eMidrand before azohlala eBlue Valley ndoda kulama estates la estates ndoda ikhandwa kanje yakhiwa kanje ndoda asihlala la eMidrand sigcwele lapha wishiwishi ndoda kuyaphekwa yangithola bro. I've been supportive dog noma thi uNtanga ushonelwa pull up ngemali yami gibela itaxi nginamoto ngithi mina ntana sekasi ulwatha lo abangamphathi kahle abangambhekeli but ngibonisa ukuthi dog nginawe ngiyancane gibela itaxi Joseph Mpumalanga fike ngitheleke ndoda Ncwabo. You will never see me being like his friends also. Ngizange ngizophuza utshwala la, ngizange ngizoxoxa la dog sobe kumfo wakhe yabo phithizele ndoda ngenzeni dog even emathuneni ndoda kuthiwa kuyavuka ekuseni basancwaba lezi ngale ndlela yasemakhaya le mfethu ukuvukwe mfethu izinsizwa sihambe sesiphethe lokho sikuphethe nathi siyofika esigubhe lapha yabo silungisa ikhaya la kamfethu lokugcina. I was there though. Not even one friend, not even one person lambhekelayo njalo dog ukhona la, mina ngikhona la. Abantu bafika nje ngokuzulu nika lama mfethu lale ngoxolo yeah probably maybe uthanda lokho thina shuthi ngenze kakhulu kwazi kwadlulela ngaze ngabukeka ngiyimpatha yabo. So my advice nakwezinye intwana, stop doing it too much. Me I did it too much. Ngalunga kakhulu, ngathanda kakhulu to a point ukuthi ngazilimaza mina. Today ngine anger dog mina. Today angifuni nix ezongihlanganisa nezinye izinto ngithola. But ngilaphekile. Yabo angizifuni phambi kwabanye abantu ndoda. Angizifuni ukusebenza nabanye abantu. I used to love music to that point ukuthi mfethu I had to choose between ukube ekhaya nokuba lapha nalabo abantu. Mina ole lami langixosha yithi faka red card take sohamba nabantu aba-wrong angibathandi labantu laba 1 2 3 6 ezinye izinto engeke ngizisho la because inhloso yami ngifuna ukukubonisa ukuthi into yangihambisa lapha yabo. Fikile dato ngasipana olidi ngangifuni eduze kwalo ngixoshiwe ngishaya nge-red card eJardini. No one knew that story. No one understood ubuhlungu engihamba kubi engiphila nabo. Uyakwazi ukuthi uzame impumelelo but wazi kahle ukuthi umzali wakhe ekhaya mfethu ukubambile kanti probably ezinye zezinto ezenza ukuthi vele izinto zami zingahambi kahle. But nginayo lento ukuthi endoda kumele le people feze kulisa khanya noowami kumele baphile lempilo le engibafisela yona engiyibona, not le mina engiyiphilile ukuhlupheka nokuswela ukusebenza kanzima phanda impilo yakho yaphanda qedanga sigela mina ngangithola mina ngintwana yasekasi ephandayo intwana ebhizi nje estradini ngilo muntu mfethu mina makuthiwa manje siwashe nje anything noma kuthiwa ubeka imoto la ngingayiwasha but you must know ukuthi indoda ekwasheni kwami imoto angiwashi manje njengakhona dato bengiziwasha imoto tshelivala bengiclean ijaridi ndoda ngisho noma sibuye ngo3 ntatha kusa mina bengizoclean ijaridi babazovuka ingadi mfethu imanzi ndoda ijaridi liclean ngishaya umoya nasendlini. That was me thinking ukuthi ngenza lento lena mfethu ukuthi ngiphandele laba bawu2 mfethu abaphuma la esendeni lami mfowami bengeke into engifisa ngifunayo. Everyone knew each and every time when I speak emlomeni wami kuphuma abantwana bami yonke into bengiyenza ngenzela abantwana bami but that thing made me a failure towards abantwana bami. Bathembisa into ngithi Friday ngizonisendela bomatawanyana banganginiki ngena ama message ngena ama calls ngithuke dog lapho ngihamba nabantu abayiphethe that thing yenzana ne-anger njalo lokhu idevelop i-anger phakathi kwami. Then kusasa abantu bazongitshela ukuthi mina mina ngikanje kanti yibona mfethu abangicilisa yona lento le mfethu engayifuni. They couldn't understand ukuthi emuva kwami ngithuka kangakanani. Ngiyathuka ndoda, uyalala uBhayibheli elingaka usendela iBhayibheli, uyavuka usendela iBhayibheli, ya useless. Yazi uhamba nama-celebrity lapho nawo lawo ma-celebrity lowo muntu lo ubizwa ngenkosi doka kangenzela ifokolo nix. Ugcoka leza impahla engafika nazo mangasiloko-ke ngizogcoka lezi engiyiphiwayo lezi mfethu. Yazi ugcoka into mfethu esigcokwe umuntu lezi angeke asayigcoka yena ekhishwa odrobhini ngoba-ke manje sekazoshintsha odrop sekazofaka ku-Rick Owens. Pika lapha esofeni idobhe lo idobhayo mfethu ufake emzimbeni. People used to think ukuthi mangifika eKasi mina ngigcoka impahla mina engiyithengelwe. Never, I was given. Timberland le ngifake I was given. Timberland ngayinikwa mfethu futhi ke yona sikahlala eBlueville kule event le ayishaya wazobiza uBlack Coffee. Ubrathurathu ngithathoka leza impahla engafika ngazo lapha ngizobhalela lo Cherry kuthiwa ngizombhalela uLady Steez. Sashaya EP lelo mntana lo. Bastila ngithola ngafokona. Ambhalela la mntana album EP lakho nazange likhishwe futhi. Kodwa ngawuyenza umsebenzi. Zangibhekela. The only shit I know ukuthi nganikwa nje mfethu iTimberland, ngagcoka iTimberland. Ngayifakela i-shirt la mfethu. Yazi. Mina mfethu bengabona ngalutho. I don't want to try. I don't want to be like ngifuna ukwenza umuntu kabi. I'm not that type of a person, but now I think it's the time to speak the truth phela. Ayikho into mfethu engayenzi mina ekuthiwa ngiyenze. Ngize ngenze naloko ekuthiwa ngingakwenzi kodwa ngikwenze bese bakuthande. Bro ngithi mina kuyakho umuntu bekafika epiano hub ungamamukeli ngezandla ezimhlophe. Dawo uzofika ungene uthola ama-celeb izinto eziserious ezihlinile ndoda enganeze xoxa nazo ukunika isandla kuphela zithi. Mara khona abohulumeni abazobuza ukuthi uGrand Hotman sharp awufuna amanzi ufuna juice ufuna tea ufunani ushaye ngani. That was me lenhliziyo enhle mina ngangithola to a point ukuthi nabanye abantu mfethu abasebenza naye lo muntu bazi bayijwayela lento ukuthi le ntwana liyavalela. Banye mfethu bangibiza ngibashayela umusic kumele bangibhadale bangenze the same thing engiyenzwa yile nkosi yakhe. Ubuhlungu dog, like mina bengizohlala la bengizospana la lifetime because lokusekhaya ngithanda umoya wami mfethu nokufika kwami lapha ngafika ngethonga. Khumbula kahle ugogo efika nomkhulu bezongitshela 2 days before ngizofika lapha. Angifikanga nje la lanto ngayiphupha. Ukufika kwami lapha ngaphupha. Ngiyangithola. So give me it was deep, give me it was just too personal. I didn't see uKabza njengomfowethu senzo music. Cha, bengibona ngathi ugazi sikanje. Ingakho ezinye izinto dog I used to do it ngothando nje. Tshela ukuthi lapha bengiphila ndoda ngivalelwa ngaphandle kodwa ngaze ngitshontshe next part. Enye into mfethu engaqoqela nezihlazo engafuni ukuyifihla ukuthi ngasithola ndoda sengitshontsha ibhodlela because of ngifuna ukuthi ngibe naleyo 1000 nyana nginike uOm nginike uLisakhanya. Ngase ngiyibona lento ukuthi cha la ngishiye phansi ngihambe manje sengizophenduka ulwatha nje utshontsha amabhodlela manje shuthi lamabhodlela wonke la ngizowaqeda phela ngoba ngithi ngiyalaya. Okwami mfethu yazini ukubhekisa ikhanda phansi. Understand ngamukela ukuthi cha la ngithandwa angihambi. Ngihamba that day ngitshontsha ibhodlela ngiphindanga ngabuyela. Namanje ngisagilty ukuthi ngantshontsha ibhodlela. There's nothing engangayenza lapha kuleyanto. Akukho kube ngakwenza. Ayikho into engangayitshontsha, ayikho into engangayifihla, ayikho into engayenziswa ukuthi ngiyalaya. Ngithi mina even necleaner yalapha I knew ukuthi lo mfana lo makukhona yena umsebenzi wami umncane. Mina kusakhona mina lapha phakathi khoshwa. I used to make sure ama-bus escort car clean. Angithola. AnaseKasi mina ngiyazi ukuphanda. kanti ayazi intwana segasi ukuthi ayenza ulwazi yabo. Mina I used to make sure mina every day benginesipani ngizenzela sona ukuthi enhle noma ngathiwa kufika imonth dog ne mabangipha something ethi ngiyobonga noma ile 3 hours 4 hours ukuthi every day la ngiyasipana but next abantwana khalela abantwana bami mina bangenza sehluleki mfana. So into leyo mfethu yangibulala kakhulu mfethu ungabi nebhekela ungathanda there's this term le abahlale bayishuda somdlisa amasi mina bangidlisa amasi and they really made sure ukuthi bangidlisa amasi. And the people that bangikhomba bona ukuthi ngibasize ngibabhalela music, they are the ones that abanalento leyo ukuthi ba influence untanga ukuthi le yabheda le nokuring 1 or 2 le nokwenza so vele. People they always do like that. Hayi nale branding efaki someone went there to ruin things for me, but le brand was uyithatha ngayibeka phezulu. It was me ingena lutho ngiyayipush ngayenzi ithengisa bayazi, but the influence I came with bro, when I started to move to celebrities sengibanika kanje mfethu yaboom, people knew about it. But mina ukuxoshwa kwami mfethu it was serious. Ngena imali yokugibela ngafuna ukukhokhela umuntu kumele anginike imali ngigibele, but ukhetha ukuthi angixoshe yabo. Ngimchazelile isito sami ngathi ebhuti umntana kusasa nginayo imali yokugibela ngiyabhayizise, sacela unginikele imali yangizokwazi ukugibela. Ngahluleka ukuphanda ngoba ngijwayelanga umuntu ekasa ngeke ngihambe ngiboleka imali, futhi lento la ngiyenza umntana esithunywa mina. Angithola ngiprefer ukuthi ngithole le eyami ngisebenzele, but azange nga-understand. Athiwa indoda ngoba wena uze emsebenzini sala sohlala kanjalo ungasezi la ndaba yakho ngeke mfethu. Mina ngichaphazekile for kulunga kwami because of abantu engibathatha ngibabekela eduze kwami kuthiwa ngibasiza or abafuna ukusizakala. They are the ones abangimoshelayo bambe bangikhuluma kabi. Ngiyazazi izinto ezimosha okuhle kwempilo yami, futhi naloko futhi nje sengiyagwema manje ngigwema sekulate. Mina kunabantu mfethu engifika ngibathole lapha namhlanje yibo mfethu abalayo ebekumele ngabe kuhleli mina, kepha ngoNkulunkulu ngila mina engikhona nomoya wami ukhululekile, angikhali kangaka. Sometimes vele oclever kuwina bona misaqala le race, kodwa ekugcineni nathi siyozuza sikuzuza. Bayazazi abantu abasimoshelayo, bayazazi abantu abasikhuluma kabi, bayazazi abantu abasimonelayo. Mina mfowethu manje ngikushashayo, mntaka mama ngikushashayo, mina la ngifika khona ngikushashayo, mina ngokukhanya mina. Ngaze ngafika abantu basindela mina, ngaze ngafika abantu baluza, ngaze ngafika abantu mina baphuphela izinto. Mina ngakufica mina udlala i-aviator mina ungabamba mina. Hayi inhlanhla yami ngakhona mina ngafika abantu ndoda abangaqoqe award mina. Kodwa la ngafika khona ndoda kwathatha ama-award and nokuhamba kwami futhi uyaphinda ncipha nama-award. Ukukhanya enginako, amandla ngihamba nawo. So bokhola mangitshela ngumntana esithunya, kodwa abantu bangichaphaza kunjalo. Yabona uhambo lwami kamoya lungifundisa izinto eziningi, kodwa konke kubuhlungu. Ubuhlungu konke, kodwa isifundo leso, but akusinto engiyifisela abantwana bami. Mina ngifunde kanzima empilweni, ubuhlungu konke nje okwenzakalayo konke. Ngeke ngikhale ngoba nginsizwa mina ngakithi, kodwa bonke lobu buhlungu akusho ukuthi angibuzo. Yabona lento enishoyo nithi lo une-anger lo nani ikhandwa yinina, because ngabe beningibhekela, ngabe benenza iqiniso, ngaba ngikho la namhlanje, ngabe mhlambe sisonke, ngabe mhlambe sesinamaningi ama-out, ngabe manje sesikwelinye level mhlambe. As much as nabanye abantu vele they used to come there, they told me ukuthi endoda futhi bebangathi endoda kuthiwa mkhulu yazi la ukhona wena uzomela uhamba kusindawo e-right, but me I stayed ngenkani yami because bengifila kusekhaya epiano ha. manifuna ngimenshina amagama labo abantu ngawamenshina kodwa ngiyazi ukuthi angisiyona inswelaboya ngifunda abo bantu kuphinde kusasa futhi baphucwe lento abanayo ababambelele kuyo ngamanga ngifuna lawo manga basebenzele namanje because ba amaphiqiphiqi and futhi angifune ukubona umuntu mina angakwazi ukubhekela umndeni wakhe ngoba manje sengikhipha amaqiniso. There are people that told me ukuthi ngivaye la kuno 1 no 2 no 3 bona basaya lapha bakhona lapha angithola and angeke ngize ngibiza amagama ukuthi they told me this and that because of bona bebaboniswa le abayiboniswa ukuthi hey leli khehle kuwe mkhulu alifuni ukube la njalo mara mina bengikanjalo. Maybe that's why I'm punished. So indlela zabantu ayifani but I wanted to let you know ukuthi yini into yangihambisa lapha bangenabhekela Frostan bingekho njalo Frostan ngihlale lapha isikhathi eside ayikho into enhle yayenzeka empilweni yami awukho umehluko angazi ngathengelwa lutho ngazi ngaphatha ngisho nemali engango 5,000 engithola lapha kodwa konke ngikwenzile. Wena bhala ngoma wena washa wena cleaner wena ngakubiza konke iqubula speaker to everywhere la ungacabanga khona ama event leyo minyaka ngisaselapha angazi so kusasa abantu bangahambe bathi lento nale ine-enga lento inenhliziyo encane they've made me because of ngabe bangibhekela should bengizojabula kakhulu bengizoze ngiphume nakulento lebe ngikuyo because bese ngiba depressed though. Have you ever been depressed? Uhamba nomuntu mfethu uduma umhlaba wonke ugqokaleza impahla kulawo ma event ugqokaleza impahla wafika nazo abanondawo bona ukuthi uhulumeni ugcoke kanjani. Never, they were never concerned about that. Instead bona bangasendelana manje lapha ngwami producer manje into okusendela imali ukuthi hayi hamba uthenga amaphaca uhulumeni next week wena ungikhumbuze nengizokutshela mawufika next week khothe imali manje ngishiya ngala ngilena ukuthi uzonginika yona because last week ugaya ubani yabo wathi wena uzongigaya this week hayi awume kancane uhulumeni awume kancane manje ngisabhizi ngezinye izinto. That was the response I always get. Ngisipane hard dog ngisho noma ngicela izolo ndoda tholele bunzimeni awena yahlupha wena dog izinto engizenza lapho ukuthi ungangibalisela ngensanga ijoint. That was me. Konke bengekho lula konke bekunzima but ngiyabonga ukuthi ngivale lento ngaze ngibe emotional.
Hello Mzansi, welcome to Mgosi waseMzansi. There's a viral video of Hulumeni exposing uKabza de Small ngokum-exploiter ngokudlala ngaye ngokuthi he was always by his side but bekamyuza bekangamniki ngisho senti uthamseka msupporter hleza naye but angamsidi ngalutho nje empilweni because people were asking him ukuthi why did he leave Piano Hub. So washo ukuthi finally ufuna kuyi-addressa le ndzaba. Abantu bamangele kakhulu ukuthi hayibo kani kwenzakalani ku-music industry. Uphendulile Kabza de Small lapha ku-Instagram story wathi don't bite the hand that feeds you when you are full, then turn right around and expect a handout when you are starving. Again ke sana uthi ungasibhayithi isandla lesikuphakelako. Basically that's what he was saying, meaning ukuthi uyadinaya lokukhulunywa nguhulumeni ngaye ngokuthi am-expose. He further said ukuthi people who blame others for their failures never overcome them. They simply move from problem to problem to reach your potential. You must continually improve yourself, and you can't do that if you don't take responsibility for your actions and learn from your mistakes. But people are still saying ukuthi hayibo kwenzakalani mu-music industry, why bantu bayuzwa ngale ndlela. People are making money but bafuna kuyidla babodwa, or they don't think for their friends, they don't think for other people, ba-selfish or bafuna nje kuphumelele bona bodwa. Do comment your thoughts down in the comment section. Don't forget to hit the notification bell. I will see you on the next one. I'm signing out. Goodbye.